Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change your Uber driver profile picture. Let's get started. When you first sign up as an Uber driver, you upload a profile photo, but if you want to update it later, you'll need to go through Uber support. Open any browser and go to help.uber.com. From here, select driving and delivering. Scroll down and click on account and app. Then scroll again until you see I need to contact support. Now, fill out the form with your account name, phone number, and choose other as the issue type. In the description box, clearly mention that you want to update your profile picture. Click submit to send your request. Uber support will review it and may ask for extra details like your new photo or identity verification documents. And that's how you change your Uber driver profile picture through Uber support on their help page. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other tutorials.